Speech on my country, India. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I feel proud to speak about my country, India. India is not just a piece of land. It is a land of history, culture, and diversity. From the snowy Himalayas in the north to the oceans in the south, from the desert in the west to the green forests in the east, India is truly beautiful. Our country has given the world great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Swami Vivekananda, and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. We celebrate many festivals such as Diwali, Eid, Christmas, and Pongal, which bring people together. India is known for its unity in diversity, where people of different religions, languages, and cultures live together in peace. We have made progress in science, technology, sports, and education. But as citizens, it is our duty to keep our country clean, respect our heritage, and work for its progress. I am proud to be an Indian, and I promise to contribute to my nation's growth. Thank you and Jai Hind.